Hello YouTube friends, I want to do a quick video about the results of those leaves that I did on another video. So I want to show you guys, these are the succulents. I cut the leaves and I'm propagating them, and I have a video showing how to remove the leaves from the mother plant and where I put it. I want to also tell you guys that, look at this, sorry about the, now these ones over here, they all worked well. Now this other one, which is my favorite, I sacrificed about 7 leaves actually, and none of them gave me any baby or any roots. So I guess that kind of succulent would not root from the leaves. As you can see, none of them, it just rotten out, and it did not give me any babies. Now these, pretty much all of them did. So I'm gonna show you guys the mother plant for that one and the mother plant for the other one. So bear with me, but this is what I am replanting today. And I'm gonna leave the leaf because I want it to fall by itself. I don't want to water it today. Let me show you the mother plant for that one. It's over here. That one, which is this succulent, it will give me babies through. I need to replant this one. This one is like bad, but let me just throw that one out. You pretty much go like this very gently and take it apart. It falls off very easily, but it has to have that little middle there where the root will come out from. Now I'm gonna do another experiment today. I'm just gonna put this leaf right here and see, sorry, let me get this out, and see how that one, I want to replant and probably cut this plant, but I wanted to make sure that I would make this the only one I have. So I wanted to make sure I have some other baby just in case it does not work. Now this one did work. I got a bunch of little babies from it. However, my favorite one is this one. And if you guys know how to work with this one, I only have one of this one as well, and it's been sitting here forever, but I cannot make it where it would have any babies. I tried everything, and this is just gorgeous. The camera does not justify the beauty. So I want to replant this one. It needs replanting. See, this whole thing needs to be replanted, but I'm scared to even touch it because I don't want to lose it. So if you, any one of you know how I can get a baby out of this, this one came in one of pot that my husband gave to me, I don't know, 5 years ago, 4 years ago. And I put it in here. It's due for replanting, but I can't get it to make a little baby, so I'm not gonna mess with it until I get that. I have not seen, I don't know the name of it. I know it's a gorgeous succulent, and it has this beautiful purple all the way around. It's just gorgeous, but I can't get it to give me babies. So if you guys know, please share with me. And look at this one. This one is easy to propagate. Any leaves would do. It's like the one that I saw down there, but this one got more light, so it gets pinkier. I want to show you guys this ones that I did the video on it as well. They're doing really well. Look at them. They love the sun. This one I tried to propagate with the leaves. It did not work, but they're all doing well. This one is really liking this, so it's purple. Oh, I just lost a leaf. Oh, and just put it over there, but I'm gonna turn around a little bit. Now this is doing well. This is the other one that's doing really well as well, and this one was the one that my grandson did it, and it's doing really well too. The one that I had that was sick, I'm still working on it. It seemed like it's doing a little bit better. That one over there, one of it is not doing too well. I think I'm gonna cut that one and try to get one big one out of it. Then I have this one that's doing better over here, and this one pretty much does good anywhere you put it. And this one's not doing too well, but this is not a succulent, that's a hibiscus. And this one, I got it from my friend. It was so lovely. I love this one. And look at this one, guys. This is just beautiful. I cut this one and I made these 2 cuts from it, which was about a month ago. So I gotta put some, I want to try to make sure it gets all right. Those and it just love to be trimmed up. Look at how many babies I got in this one. And the pink is just amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and watch out for the next video. I am gonna be sharing the progress. I use succulent cactus soil, and I put a little bit of pellets, those little succulent food. So we'll see how they like that. Just please join me, and you'll see I have our art and the art of plants. We're pretty much gonna work together and watch as they grow. And I'm learning as much as I can, and I'm gonna be sharing with you everything I can. Thanks for subscribing, and until the next time, have a wonderful day.